I lost 17 kgs while eating aloo parathas, ghee and many more yummy stuff and without any strenuous kind of exercise. जबकि मेरे जीन्स एक खाते पीते देसी इंडियन खानदान के हैं. If I can lose weight, anybody can. And do you want to know how? Then just keep watching. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon to get regular health updates. Watch till the end to get recipe of magic drink for weight loss. So let's start with my story. I gained lot of weight during my pregnancy and उसके बाद postnatal diet के लड्डू वगैरह खा के मैंने थोड़ा सा और gain कर लिया. Imagine from 53 kgs I reached up to 73 kgs, but now I am 53 kgs again. I did realize that मैं दिन दुगनी रात चौगनी तरक्की कर रही हूँ, but I was quite fine with it. But एक दिन I thought of taking stairs instead of lift और मेरी तो बैंड बज गई बॉस, मुझसे चढ़ा ही नहीं गया. Imagine a girl who used to go for hikes on 4,000 meters now could not climb 3 floors. That was quite shaking for me. That day I decided that I have to lose weight and get back in shape. But I did not make the changes from next day itself. Rather, I decided on a date and stuck by it. और उससे पहले मैंने अच्छे से अपनी cravings पूरी करी. It might sound cliche, but my focus was in getting fit and weight loss happened. Daily scale पे खड़े होना, stress लेना मेरे बस की तो ना थी. But I needed some form of motivation. So, as my fitness level was improving, that was the thing that kept me motivated all throughout. I lost all that weight without going on any diet plan because I do not believe in diet plan. I don't like this whole concept of someone else telling me what should I eat during the day. Suppose I feel like having rajma chawal, but in my diet plan it's moong ki dal ka chila. So I will never be happy after eating it, and I didn't like that. So the chances of me deviating from it will be very high. So rather what I did, I made lifestyle changes, and these are the things that I did. No maida, no sugar. I left refined sugar in all forms, which means no white sugar, no HFCS. HFCS is high fructose corn syrup, which you generally find in so-called healthy juices and drinks. And I replaced all these white and refined sugar with jaggery, honey, dates, raisins. All these are super sweet, but at the same time they're really high in nutrient value. यहाँ तक कि I started putting gur in the cake. Initially I didn't used to like it, but gradually I developed taste for it. And at the same time, as I said, no maida, which means that I stopped having white breads in all forms, whether it's pizzas, burger, samosas, bhaturas, बहुत सारी चीज़ों में we eat white flour, so no maida at all. I also stopped overeating. हम इंडियंस जनरली ओवर ईटिंग को पेट भरने से एसोसिएट कर लेते हैं. इट टेक्स अराउंड 20 मिनट्स फॉर द सिग्नल फ्रॉम द स्टमक टू गो टिल द ब्रेन, एंड हम उस टाइम में काफ़ी खा लेते हैं. सो व्हाट आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग, आई यूज्ड टू स्टॉप व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू फील कि पेट आधा भर गया है. थर्ड रूल इज अ नो ब्रेनर. यू शुड ईट ओनली व्हेन यू आर हंग्री. It seems quite natural, but ऐसा होता नहीं है. I used to eat out of craving or to give someone company. You would be thinking, isn't it contrary to the current fad of eating every 2 hours? Actually, I do not believe in it because there is an old saying, rogi khaye par par. I stopped eating after the sunset. With this, I started seeing improvement in my digestion and my sleep, and at the same time, within a week, the weight loss was quite evident. I started fasting once a week. I researched and found out that when you start fasting for short term, it helps in boosting your metabolism rather than slowing it down. So I started once a week, and I actually feel that digestive system को थोड़ा सा रेस्ट देना तो बनता है बस. I started eating only and only घर का खाना, as I knew what is going in there, and at the same time it's fresh and less in calorie. I increased my water intake. I started having a lot of liquids, around 3 to 4 liters of liquid in some form or the other, like छाछ, नारियल पानी. I also noticed that from the time I started drinking more water, I started eating less. I will make a separate video on how to increase your water intake. 2:1:1 rule. Remember, I told you that I stop when I am half done. So imagine your stomach to be a plate, and according to Ayurveda, it should be filled half with food, 1/4 with liquid, and 1/4 should be left empty. Yes, empty, for better digestion. This 2:1:1 rule I abide by every single day. I did yoga every day for 60 minutes. In my practice, I included a lot of breathing practices, as I found out that the fat leaves our body in the form of carbon dioxide. I will make a separate video, a detailed video in which I will show my daily yoga routine to you. I started becoming active. अगर केवल 1 घंटे I will do yoga, then it's very difficult to get fast result. So wherever I used to get chance, I used to be active, like going to a grocery shop, or taking up stairs, or doing household chores. I never used to miss a chance. I started sleeping well, and on the days when I was not able to sleep well, I used to do Yog Nidra to cover up on it, as I found out from a study that with every reduced 30 minutes of sleep, you increase your belly fat, जो मुझे चाहिए नहीं. Now I will take up questions which lot of people ask me. How should I control my junk? I would say one thing. Out of sight, out of mind. Make sure that you surround yourself with healthy stuff. Throw out your chips, chocolates, all those packet food, and at the same time replace it with fruits and dry fruits. एक मेरी खराब आदत थी. I used to open up the fridge and think, क्या खाऊं क्या खाऊं क्या खाऊं. फ्रिज में जो उल्टा पुल्टा होता था, you end up taking it up and eating. So make sure that you surround yourself with healthy stuff. Another question which a lot of people ask is, how do you develop interest or taste for healthy food? Simple है, you are on YouTube, there are a lot of healthy recipes available online. जब तक खाना yummy नहीं होगा, tasty नहीं होगा, the chances of you sticking to it is very less. So थोड़ा सा effort मार लो. I would request some of you who know really healthy and yummy stuff, please share it in the comment box so that you can help many others. People also ask me, how do you control yourself when you are traveling? I would say I do not control myself. I just have a blast. But there are few things which I keep in mind. I do not overeat. I eat only when I am hungry. I have lot of water. And आने के बाद I make sure that I fast and detox myself. ये question काफ़ी लोगों के मन में होता है कि weight loss तो हो जाएगा, but what to do when it comes back? I would say it's been 6 months. Yes, I took 6 months before I made this video, and I'm still on the same weight. So what I do now is, it's this kind of healthy eating habits has become part of my lifestyle, but I do eat out once a while. Is it possible to lose weight after your 20s? Yes, of course. I am at 38 and I have lost all this weight, and anyone can if you are determined and if you really want to be fit again. I know you must be waiting for that magic drink for weight loss. It is nothing fancy, it is simple ajwain tea. You can just make it very quickly. So what you have to do, you have to bring water to boil, and the moment it comes to boil, add 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain seeds or carom seeds into it, and let it boil for 1 or 2 minutes. Then close the flame, cover it with a lid, let it infuse, and after 10 minutes you can warm it and have it sip by sip. Try to have it after every meal. You will start seeing the difference very quickly in your digestion. Your metabolism will improve and you will feel very light. कभी gas, bloating ये सब पंगा नहीं होगा. And yes, remember, हर चीज़ जो results दे ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो complicated हो. So that's it about my weight loss journey. I hope you liked it and you will try and implement a lot of tips from it or all of it in your life. And also few of you must have their own weight loss journey. आपने थोड़ा कम लूज़ किया होगा या ज़्यादा लूज़ किया होगा. प्लीज़ अपनी शेयर करें जर्नी दूसरों के साथ, मेरे साथ भी. And if in case you're facing difficulty in losing weight, I will be very happy to help you. Please leave your comments below and let me know.